As the 5-day US business and congressional delegations visit to Pakistan comes to a close here in Lahore today, one message resonates loudly and clearly throughout the week. Pakistan is open for business. Throughout the visit, Pakistan's political and business leadership demonstrated a clear commitment to attracting international investment. It has been an honor for me to be a member of this distinguished delegation representing the Pakistani American business community. Organized by Pakistan's Special Investment Facilitation Council, the delegation brought together American business leaders and members of the United States Congress for an intensive program across Islamabad, Karachi, and Lahore, focused on expanding trade, investment, and economic cooperation. The visit began in Islamabad with meetings at the Ministry of Commerce, followed by business to business sessions with the Rawalpindi Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Delegates also met with Pakistan's technology leadership, including the Ministry of Information Technology, the Pakistan Software Export Board, P at SHA, the National Incubation Center, and leading technology startups. Highlight of the visit was meeting the Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister, Senator Muhammad Isaaq Dar, followed by an in-depth briefing by the Special Investment Facilitation Council. The delegation also had the privilege of meeting Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, the Federal Minister for Planning and Development and Special Initiatives, Professor Hassan Iqbal. He hosted the delegation and shared Pakistan's long-term vision for economic development and investment. The delegation then traveled to Karachi, where members met since Chief Minister Syed Murad Ali Shah Saab, toured Bin Qasim Industrial Park, Karachi Industrial Park, and Karachi Port, and held productive meetings with the Pakistan Business Council and the American Business Council. The day concluded with a dinner hosted by Governor Sindh, Janab Syed Muhammad Nihal Hashmi. Today, here in Lahore, the delegation met Punjab Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz Sharif, the Punjab Board of Investment and Trade, visited Sundar Industrial Estate, and concluded the visit with business leaders at the Lahore Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Throughout the week, the delegation engaged directly with Pakistan's highest political leadership, federal ministers, provincial governments, business organizations, and private sector leaders. Equally impressive was the coordinated approach taken by the government of Pakistan through the leadership of the Special Investment Facilitation Council and the active participation of both the federal and provincial governments. There was a clear focus on facilitating investment, addressing the concerns of international businesses, and showcasing Pakistan's economic potential. The message was clear. Pakistan is committed to strengthening its economic partnership with the United States, expanding trade and creating new opportunities for international investment. As this successful visit concludes today, it is evident that the leaderships strengthened over the last 5 days have laid the foundation for greater economic cooperation and deeper commercial ties between Pakistan and the United States. While challenges remain, Pakistan's leadership has demonstrated a strong commitment to economic reforms, investor confidence, and building an environment that welcomes international businesses. Now, before I conclude, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to Pakistan's ambassador to the United States, His Excellency Rizwan Saeed Sheikh Sahab, for extending the invitation to me to be a part of this remarkable delegation. My thanks also to Minister Trade and Investment Muhammad Hanif Channa for his support and facilitation, and to the Special Investment Facilitation Council, especially Colonel Jahanzeb and his outstanding team for organizing an exceptionally well-planned and productive program. I am also grateful to Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif and Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, the Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Senator Muhammad Ishaq Dar, the Federal Minister Professor Ehsan Iqbal, Sindh Chief Minister Syed Murad Ali Shah Sahab, Punjab Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz Sharif Saiba, and Governor Sindh Syed Muhammad Nihal Hashmi for their warm hospitality and for taking the time to engage personally with the delegation. Their collective commitment to strengthening Pakistan's economy and expanding international partnerships was evident throughout the visit. Now, from Lahore, I am Arif Zafar Mansouri for the Mansouri Show. Thank you.